Hey everyone, it's Vince here. Welcome to my Cash Karma review. I hope you enjoy. Let's kick this off. This is what Cash Karma looks like on the Google Play Store. For those who do not know, Cash Karma is a money-making application that allows you to complete surveys, play games, and complete tasks and offers to earn real cash rewards in the form of PayPal and other currencies. I'm going to be showing you the earning potential I have here in Australia, and I'm hoping in your country you'll have the exact same options or even better. Now this is the first thing you're going to see on Cash Karma. You have your account balance at the top of the screen. You have the free daily rewards check-in area where you can get free currency every single day. You have the playtime rewards area where you get paid per minute or per level to play games. And then you have the large amount of different survey providers that Cash Karma allows you to actually try and complete. I'm pretty impressed with the amount of survey providers they have here. It's very interesting to see. In fact, they even have additional offers as well if you don't want to go through those offer walls. And below all of those providers, you have the actual Cash Karma offers. In my opinion, this is where Cash Karma will offer you the most amount of coins for your time. You'll notice as you scroll down, there are various different amounts of coins that will be rewarded for each of the tasks. Now, depending on the difficulty, of course, the coins are going to change quite dramatically, and also, depending on your country, age, and gender, these applications are going to change no matter what. So what you're seeing on the screen now is going to be completely different if you live, let's say, in United States, or the Philippines, or something along those lines, compared to me here in Australia. I just have to make that crystal clear because some people don't realize these apps change. Before I go more in depth into the different amount of earning potential here, let me just show you the actual rewards tab. So at the bottom of the screen, you're going to find the actual rewards button. This will take you to all the withdrawal methods that Cash Karma has available. In my country of Australia, I have PayPal, iTunes, and Google Play. Now you'll notice in the top right corner though, you can change the country. This is where Cash Karma really does stand out, because if you have a look, there are so many different countries available that you can actually cash out from. So unlike a lot of the money-making applications out there, Cash Karma does support various different countries. You see, they even have a worldwide option. That worldwide option only supports PayPal right now, it seems. So this is the actual PayPal tab of Cash Karma. You have a $3 minimum cash out for 5,200 coins, $5 cash out for 7,750 coins, a $10 cash out with 14,500 coins needed, $25 cash out with 30,000 coins needed, and a $50 cash out for 52,500 coins. Something interesting about Cash Karma as well is that once you do eventually cash out on the application, they will give you a redeem bonus, which I find pretty sweet. Even though it's pretty small, let's just be real, it's nice that they're offering up that system. My advice is once you do check out Cash Karma is obviously look at the withdrawal options to see what you have available in your country, because funny enough, I'm actually quite limited here in Australia with only these 3 options. Now at the bottom of the screen, you're going to find the Profile tab. This Profile tab is going to be a very relevant area for you guys to check back on all the time, because you're going to see you can actually unlock achievements the more you use Cash Karma. Each achievement tier has more coins. You guys can understand this system pretty easily, I'm fairly sure. The more you use it, the more bonus points you can generate. You'll notice that they have different badges, aka achievements, for different things you complete on the application, such as actually signing up and verifying your account or inviting a friend. You can get earning badges, which represents extra earning potential to your account. So this is legit like a permanent bonus, which is very cool. The last bonus there is a plus 12.5% earning increase. You can get different playtime reward achievements, which seems to just reward you with flat out points for the more you use the playtime reward area. You even get rewarded for being screened out on Cash Karma. So when you get disqualified by a survey, Cash Karma will actually give you a small little bonus of screen out credits, which is pretty sweet because not all applications do this. Checking in every single day will grant you achievements as well. Completing multiple offers will do the exact same thing, up to 500 points. And then you have the video badge, which I'm assuming means watching advertisements, because I didn't see any watch videos to earn currency options on Cash Karma. So I'm just going to think it's for ads. But hey, at least they give you something for watching ads. Last up is the invite a friend tab. So Cash Karma has a pretty interesting referral system for anyone out there that wants to invite their friends to these type of money making apps. The first time your referral earns a reward on the application, you get 500 points, plus you then get the bonus 30% of everything they earn for free. This is completely bonus, by the way, so it doesn't affect them. Your friend also earns 300 Karma points for free when they sign up with your code. You will need to have a Cash Karma account though, so you will actually need to sign up. Hopefully I'll remember to put my referral code in the description below. Okay, so now let's start actually trying to earn on Cash Karma so I can show you what you can expect when you guys give it a shot eventually. Let's tap on the daily rewards area. This brings up a little section here of scratch cards. You'll notice that you have different cards for each of the days. These represent different rewards last time I checked. If you miss a single day, you have to start all over again, by the way. So I now have my first scratch card for checking in. Tapping on the bonus button on the bottom right corner of the screen takes you to the bonus section. In this area, you can actually watch video ads to claim points. We'll try that out in a second, but let me just go and scratch that card. So it's going to play a short advertisement and then we can actually go and scratch it. Okay, this is the card itself. Let's scratch the top. I have a 2 times multiplier there. Let's scratch the middle now. Let's see what we get. We have 2 dogs. Can we get 3? Yes. Well, we got 5 dogs, which has allowed us to earn 40 points. In reality, that's not that much, especially when the minimum is around 5,000 or so coin. But at least it's something for free. And then they get you again with another ad. But now let me tap on the video rewards area here. This again plays a straight out advertisement. Watching that advertisement literally generated 1 single point, which means that's definitely not worth our time in my opinion. The only reason why you want to do this is to try and get that achievement badge. But even then, you're probably better off doing other things. Cash Karma definitely needs to increase that. So now let's see how much the Playtime rewards will offer me here in Australia. I always appreciate when an application has the Playtime rewards function because not everyone out there wants to complete surveys or complete offers. They simply just want to use the Playtime reward area. The main problem I can see here is that you're really going to be capped out with the amount of earnings that you can have with this system. For instance, the highest amount of Karma points I can earn is only 350 and I only generate 14 points per level. And that's the top offer, everyone. You'd be lucky to even make a few dollars with the rewarded playtime area on Cash Karma, at least in my country of Australia, but your country might be different. That's why it's worth checking out if you do have a moment. But at least there are plenty of different games that you can actually try out if you have the time and patience, of course. Let's see if I can unlock the tap research area. So here's the tap research tab, and by the looks of it, I'm being capped out at around 280 points or so, which really isn't that much, especially in regards to the minimum cash out that you guys know that we need. And it looks like these are full-length surveys as well, so clearly Tap Research is probably a provider I really don't want to use on this app. How about Ethereum Reach? So Ethereum Reach is a little bit better because they do have some extra bonuses that you can complete. For instance, you have the 10% earning for Karma points bonus and complete offers tab here as well. And looking at the surveys available on Ethereum Reach, it does look like they're actually quite decent compared to Tap Research, which is nice to see. I haven't even activated that extra 10% bonus either, so Ethereum Reach is probably a provider I'll try and look at first compared to Tap Research. This is the offer wall provider on Ethereum Research as well, which is fairly new, by the way. I've never seen this one before, so that's very interesting to me. How about the InBrain survey providers? Now, InBrain looks like it's much better than Tap Research as well, which is great to see because if it was all like Tap Research, we might have had an actual problem. Thankfully, I found a survey for 840 Karma points. I still have to be brutally honest, from a survey point of view, that's very low paying still. Next, let's check out Ascend Media. So Ascend Media is pretty decent, but I have to say, everyone, honestly, I've seen much better paying offer walls and survey providers on other applications. Like, for the exact same offers, we could probably get 4 times more, 3 times more using other applications and platforms I've covered on the channel before. But again, I do understand that some applications aren't available in your country, so you might only be stuck with Cash Karma. Ascend Media has like a whole bunch of different offers though, so that's good to see as well. It looks like there's quite a bit of variety that you can go through. Now we're going to check out Polefish. So Polefish will take you straight to a survey. There's no real browsing around, if that makes sense. Polefish is a solid survey provider. It's just, again, the points are very low. So now let's tap on the additional offers page. Now these are the offers that Cash Karma is really trying to promote to you all out there, okay? As you can see, the coin difference is pretty massive compared to the survey providers. to the offers here. Perhaps check out this offer area to see what you can find in your country. Again, you just want to be careful with your time though, because you don't want to waste it on offer walls like this without checking other applications that are in your country already. And of course, you got the bottom offers here, which I showed at the start of the video. So honestly, Cash Karma is like the most basic entry-level money-making application, okay? You're not going to earn anything serious, but I'm only talking from my own experience and the prices that I have available in Australia. So, in regards to Cash Karma and if they actually do pay out, in my experience, Cash Karma paid me out with no problems whatsoever. They only take 2 to 3 days to actually pay you. I hope this review helped you to decide if you're going to use Cash Karma or not. Thank you for watching. Check out my channel for other money-making methods, and of course my website. I really would appreciate it. Stay safe, see you tomorrow.